Master None here. Pickle update. And I mentioned in the video that periodically you'd have to like skim stuff off the surface. And this one went a little long. This went the better part of a week, and I should be doing this every few days. But you get this white, I believe when it's white like this, it's yeast on the top of the jar that you just want to skim off, and it looks really gross. And as you can see, I've got a glass weight in there keeping any pickles from reaching the surface, because if they can reach oxygen, then bad stuff starts to happen. Whereas when they're in that bacteria bath that they're in right now, the only thing that can work on them is that lactoacid bacteria, lactobacteria. So every few days you just come through and you skim off everything that's going on, and as long as you don't let that get too much of a head of steam, it shouldn't cause any problems. So that is the pickles about 2 weeks in, so we're about halfway there. Yes, they look just like they do when we put them in, and I would assume that's a good thing. So when they're all finished, we will let you know how this went, and if they don't kill me, there'll be a video about it at the end. That's our pickle update. This has been Master of None. Like, subscribe, tell a friend, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.